Hello, my name is Janine Eisenman. I'm an advanced occupational safety consultant with the Wisconsin On-Site Safety and Health Consultation Program known as WisCon. Today I want to talk to you about involving your employees in hazard detection activities at your facility. How do I begin in involving employees in our hazard detection activities at our facility? One suggestion may be to identify an area or a topic to target or focus on. This can be done using your incident reports, your OSHA log, frequent entries, frequent findings during self-inspections. You can inquire with employees if they have areas of focus or interest. Find in-facility occurrences of target or focus items. To go in the facility, take a camera, take a picture of what I call good, bad, and ugly. This is out of compliance, this is in compliance, this isn't what we typically are seeing. With those photographs, you can actually use them going forward to make different training presentations or a possible creation of a site-specific toolbox talk. You want to explain what and why desired outcomes are needed. Comprehension of understanding of desired outcomes is very important with employees so that they can actually apply it to what they're doing. Provide possible corrective actions. There may be more than one way to solve the issue or to be in compliance. You want to train employees on the actions that are needed and when they're needed. And you want to revisit items that you've actually taken actions to correct to assure that they are still effective and in place. An example on training employees on hazard detection activities might be, let's say, during your employee safety committee meeting. Let's say we're doing one now, and in the back of the room, I noticed this. I could have them turn around and say, what do you see? First and foremost, I'm going to notice there's a portable fire extinguisher. With the portable fire extinguisher, there are certain requirements associated with those. I could say, hey, are they mounted? Are they accessible? Are they identified as to their location? Is it the right type of fire extinguisher for the area of use? Are they in working order? Are they inspecting them? If they are, when and by who? Who can operate these portable fire extinguishers, and were they trained? When did you train them and how often? Also, we notice that there's an exit sign. With the exit sign, again, are they provided? Are they visible and illuminated? Are they inspected? When are they inspected and who inspects them? If we have emergency lights, are they provided? Do they illuminate the egress routes? Are they inspected and by who? Also, in looking at the actual egress door itself, I have to have accessibility. So, is it obstructed? Is it accessible at all times to employees? Is it the proper width? Now, when I look at the exit 2, is there a discharge? Meaning, when I go through the door, is there obstacles on the other side? Is it locked, where I need special knowledge on how to open the door to get out? All items that you can embellish on what your site-specific requirements are and provide them additional information when they're doing the self-inspections in the facility. Let's say we just finished our employee safety committee meeting and now we're going to apply what we learned during a walkthrough assessment. An employee identifies that there is an emergency exit and identifies that the egress route to the exit is obstructed by the placement of materials in the parking of a powered industrial truck. We'll discuss the relocation of those items and the possible marking of this area to keep it clear. We do notice that there is an exit sign and it looks like it's properly illuminated. And there is a portable fire extinguisher that does have a tag on it, which we flip over, and it does indicate that it is current with the inspection by date and name. We do notice, though, that there is a garbage can positioned right in front of the portable fire extinguisher, which we will relocate so it does not make it obstructed. Someone does identify that there is no sign identifying the location of the portable fire extinguisher, so we will install that as well. We do notice that there is no lock on the door, which makes it not obstructed. So we will open the door and ensure that there is nothing on the other side which prevents our egress discharge. Hopefully in this photograph, there are a couple other items that hopefully they'll pick up on, such as the LP tank storage, possible relocation of that so it's not next to the exit, and making sure it's properly secured. You might notice that there is a light switch here with the cover slightly ajar where we can see internal wiring. There's some wire nuts hanging here, and I don't think that this is the access to the restroom, so we'll remove that sign as well. So as you can see, by just doing a simple hazard identification and pointing out a few things, how we can easily apply them to our facility and our operations there as well. In summary, when you're training employees on the identification of potential hazards in the workplace, keep it simple, relatable, understandable, and applicable.